Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to Wendy's World. So you're probably wondering what this is that I'm holding, and I got this off of the shopping network, and it came with a Pilates Pro Chair. So if I want to work on my biceps, work on the definition, you can do the exact same thing, do these reps, and instead of having to go to the gym, you can work on your biceps while you're watching television. So the Pilates Pro Chair is being promoted by Susan Lucci. I'm going to show you the rest of the chair. So the Pilates Pro Chair came like this, and I chose turquoise. I love this color. Now I just want to forewarn you that this is actually a very heavy piece of equipment. So in other words, you should have it definitely delivered directly to your place. And it came with this, which is a elastic band like, and you attach that to the equipment itself, and it's called the Pilates Pro Band, and it's kind of awkward, so you have to be very, very careful with it. So when you unbox it, you can see there's all this styrofoam and it's protecting the box itself. But I finally got all that plastic off, but I don't know how to unfold this. I'm gonna have to look at a video. So just put the footboard down, and then now over here I released this pin, and this is the pin that holds the pedal in place. So then I drop the pedal down. So then this is the right side, and this is the arm, and apparently you put it in here. Okay. The step-by-step instructions are really good, I have to say, but you must make sure that you follow the instructions. So this is the spring, and you have to unhook it. Oh, okay, you have to unhook it on the other side. Okay, got it. So the furthest ring, when you're facing the machine, is the easiest. And the one up here, which is closer to you, is more difficult. So it's more intense tension. So that's pretty cool. I am going to love this machine, and I think you're also going to love this machine. I think it is great timing to be getting an indoor workout machine like this, especially with the winter coming around. You know, it comes around pretty quickly, and we can't go to the gyms right now because of COVID. Well, actually we can go, but I don't know, it's a risk. I don't feel comfortable going to a gym, especially when you're, breathing all over the equipment, and I don't know that people are necessarily going to social distance. So buying yourself a Pilates machine such as this might be a wonderful idea for you, and a good way of getting your workout done inside and safely. So right now it's one singular pedal, and if you want to separate the pedals, you'll just go here. You'll unlock it by pushing inward, twisting, and coming out. And then you have two separate pedals. I wanted to go into more detail about the construction of the Pilates Pro Chair. It's really good. It surprised me. It's quite heavy. You can see that the item has some really nice details. The metal is really strong. It's a well thought out piece of equipment, and it looks great. The plastic is really high quality. You can see that it's probably going to be quite durable. It did cost around $350. That is a little bit of money, but any piece of fitness equipment is going to cost you a little bit of money. So the Pro Chair came with these 5 DVDs. Actually, it's a Pilates Pro Chair. I thought I'd rename it. And look at the DVDs. They're great. Right now I don't have access to my DVD player because, as I mentioned in my last video, I'm moving, so everything's packed away. Well, these DVDs are going to be helpful. If you don't have access to a DVD player, then I suggest you go on YouTube. There is a ton of videos on YouTube that will be very helpful for you in terms of figuring out exercises that you like. Apparently you can weigh up to 300 pounds and still enjoy this chair. It came in a variety of colors. I chose the turquoise, as you can see. It came in red, orange, lime green, and blue. So guys, I highly recommend this machine. It's really surprising me. Look at the tension in my thighs. I'm working out while I'm watching television, let's just say. So you feel like you're actually getting a workout in. It's very easy to assemble. I know it takes a little bit of time, but like anything, you'll get used to it. And definitely I would give the Pilates Pro Chair a thumbs up. Costs about $350 with shipping and handling and taxes. You can do easy pays with the shopping network. It's great. So I highly recommend it, and thanks so much for joining me on Wendy's World. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like if you found this video helpful. And I'll see you next time on my next tutorial. Bye for now.